Welcome back to my channel. Way to Maritime guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I'll talk regarding the 10 organization you can go for help. If you want help, you can ask for them for any kind of help as far as seafarer is concerned. As you know that seafarers, if seafarers in any kind of trouble, so it is very difficult. They don't know where to contact, how to contact. So because you are an NRI person, okay, and even frankly speaking, government are not interested on you. That is very true, okay. So but you should know your rights. You should know where to contact. So 10 details, 10 basically organization I'll tell you. But before that, if any Synergy exam 2022 aspirant is watching, I have already launched a course, Synergy exam 2022 crash course. So if you not enrolled yet, many students have already enrolled. So if you not enrolled yet, you go to the description box, you'll find one link. You can enroll yourself from the link, and if you know detailed video about it, how to be enrolled and all, check the I button. I will post a video on the I button. Okay, so let's move to the topic. First and foremost, that is International Transport Workers Federation, or ITF. You have heard about it, especially ITF company and RPSL company have heard about it, right? So this is very common. I want to discuss briefly, right, regarding all these organizations, otherwise you won't be able to understand. So it was founded 1896, okay. It is a global union of variety of trade unions with respect to transport associated with different industries, shipping, aviation, etc. So it is basically is a alliance of IMO and ILO. So this is the thing, headquartered in London, ITF. So in any kind of situation you can contact them. Second is International Labour Organization, okay. ILO is the arm of United Nations which deals with the international labor standards. Basically from ILO, MLC has been formed. If you don't know, ILO takes care of all the laborers unions in the sea, in the ground, shore, whatever. But MLC comes, it is nothing but like LSA code and SOLAS, okay. LSA code extracted from SOLAS, same as MLC extracted from this ILO. So okay, ILO. Then next is the Siemens Church Institute, or SCI. It was founded in 1834. SCI is comprehensive agency which provides a wide range of service for seafarer. So the full names you can go to Google and you will find more details, okay. Otherwise in this short video it is not possible to give each and every details. Now ISWAN, okay. If I think this one you have also heard about it, International Seafarers Welfare and Assistance Network, ISWAN or ISWN, whatever you can pronounce it, is a charity exclusively for pursuit of seafarers aimed at providing a free confidential service to cater to problems and individual. So if you have any problem you are facing, you just give a mail or drop a mail or contact them. Now fifth number I'll keep the Sailors Helpline, founded in 2002, based out on Chennai. So same purpose, that if any kind of accidents happen or any kind of help you require, you just feel free to contact them, okay. And it is completely confidential, so no problem will be there. Fine. Now the sixth is AOS, or Apollo Ship of the Sea. AOS provide help, support, advise seafarers almost all of major parts of Great Britain and globally, irrespective of the nationality. So you can go. Seventh, ICMA, International Christian Maritime Association. ICMA works with 28 NGOs towards the welfare of seafarers, founded in 1969. Each of the 28 organizations represented across various churches and other communities. Now 8th, Seafarers UK. This is a charity that provides funding to seafarers of their families in need. They work individually or give out grant to other welfare charities that tend to needs of seafarers. Fine. Now ninth is Centers or Seafarers. Centers for Seafarers is not for profit charity company, originally partnership of three international Christian mission societies, the Apostleship of the Sea, the Sailor Society, and the Mission of Seafarers. Okay, the three that organization which I have already I think mentioned. So they are formed on alliance and they have made with it. Now seafarer support, last but not the least, seafarer support. The organization serves the serving and retired seafarers of Royal Marines, Royal Navy, Merchant Navy, and fishermen. Fishermen only included in UK. The comprehensive referral service aiding seafarers belonging to above mentioned cadets. So that is the thing. 10 organization I have told you. Obviously it was not possible to discuss all the major points, because if you gone through each and every organization in detail, the video might be like 2 hours long. It's like a documentary film. It will like looks like a documentary film, so not possible basically. If I have told you all the names, you go to Google, find out yourself that which organization is best. If you any kind of help is required, apart from that, in this modern era you don't need to drop a mail, and only one tweet is more than enough. Now especially for Indian seafarers, I want to tell you that because outside India also my lot of friends, mariners friends are there, they used to watch my videos. So this is only for Indians. There are lot of helplines or communities, NGOs, seafarer helps. This is in the Twitter you will find lot of things. If you follow me in Twitter, you just SAHIL BIS, B in the caps, BISWA6. This is my Twitter handle. You go Sahil Biswas 6, okay, S and B in caps. So if you go, you'll find I have used to follow a lot of these things, this community and all. If you check my followers, you can find out from there only, okay, that which all organization you should contact. So one tweet, it will be enough, okay. So if you like this video, please like, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for that.